What's going on, guys? I'm spending the day in Yosemite and I'm gonna bring you guys along with. Let's go. Alright, I am heading into Yosemite now. I'm definitely going to flash some footage of this drive. It's absolutely gorgeous. I've actually made this drive before. I came here to Yosemite with my family on a vacation. Wow, I don't know, it might be, I was probably 17 or 18 years old. So it's probably been every bit of 7 or 8 years ago. But yeah, it's absolutely beautiful, just as amazing as I remember it being back then. Yeah, some windy turns, as you guys will see, that are pretty steep, but just obviously just keep the speed down, and it all seems to be all right. But just an absolutely beautiful drive, and yeah. Okay, I have officially arrived in Yosemite. I am doing the Upper Yosemite Falls trail. It is 3.5 miles up, 3.5 miles down. Supposedly there's going to be some incredible views up there. I do not doubt it. All right, I'm 1 mile in to the uphill trail. It's going good. A lot of switchbacks. Feel strong though. Yeah, pretty easy to feel good when you're looking at this stuff. Man, seeing that, I don't even know, I doubt the GoPro even really captures what that looks like. I don't even have words for just how amazing that is. I think this is the tallest waterfall in the United States. Definitely the United States. It might be in all of North America. I don't know that for sure. Yeah, I'm not even to the top, I'm not even close. Almost at the top now. Man, every step is just harder and harder. Definitely starting to feel it. This is what I'm looking at. Okay, I made it. Here at the Overlook. Whew. That last little bit was an absolute dog. All right, I made it up here, but I had to stop. Like, before I could even show you guys anything, I had to stop and get some food because I was starving. Yeah, I threw on a jacket too. It's kind of chilly up here. And this is what I'm looking at. I'm sure the views are better over there. That's where everyone's at. They're just kind of looking for a spot to kind of chill. So I will take you guys over there, but so far, just absolutely sick up here. Sick. Okay, I'm at the Overlook now. I'm not someone that's like really deathly scared of heights, but I'm very scared right now. This is the trail, and that is just 4,000 feet down, 3,000. I have no idea, but yeah, this is the trail, and yeah, let's go. I'm gonna do it one-handed because that's really smart. Don't be a bitch. mom's gonna hate me for this. So I just got out over right here, and this guy comes over, takes a snap of me. He's like, "Let me airdrop to you. I think your mom's gonna like that." All right, everybody, I'm headed down off that overlook now. But stay tuned because I'm gonna hit one more spot before I head out, and I think it will be just as cool of a view. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, everybody, I made it down off of that trail. Obviously that was amazing. One of the coolest trails I've done in my entire life. A little sketchy there at the end. Yosemite in general is one of the main reasons probably that I moved out to the West Coast, just because of my experience I had when I was a younger guy with my family. The views don't get much better than they do here, and if you ever have the chance or in the area, do it. Come here, you will not regret it, I promise you that. If you have to go out of your way a few hours here or there, you should definitely come here. Just amazing. That's all I have to say. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this, and yeah, peace. I'll see you guys in the next one.